So I suppose through the direction and support of direction and kōrero from Joe, and basically he began that sort of journey, and then later on, during that same time frame, there was the trust board. We had our trust board, which was only a trust board of the houses, and that's where this all. So that trust board of the elders, in discussion with with Joe about how do we try to get our land back, and so through all that mahi that had been done, eventually, we went through a lot of hard times because it all wasn't plain sailing. The kaumātuas wanted to do this. The Joe and the whānau wanted to do this, and there was no clean cut coming together as one at that time. It wasn't until later on that we were able to come together and then say, right, we're here now. Now's the time. And so in '87, when the Minister of Lands, when the Crown agreed to give the Mamae back, and that took a bit of persuasion by the then Trust Board to basically say, well, I think it is time that we give the Mamae back. So that sort of kōrero had happened. There was a lot of hurt personal feeling to a lot of people. It was sad for me on those days to see. I suppose what it was the feeling grateful. We had the ability to negotiate for our whenua, something that we've never been in a position to ever do before in our whole history. So when I look back and go to say, well, the great things that people had done, what Joe began, and we had the graciousness of Tāhiu. And I can remember the kōrero that Uncle Happy and Uncle Brownie, all the older ones who began their kōrero while it wasn't right up to where we are today. But the beginning of that was the essence of having the ability to talk about a settlement.